How to delete table in Notion. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to delete a table in Notion quick and easy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Notion. So click Login, then choose Continue with Google if you want the fastest sign in. Select the Google account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, head to the page or workspace that contains the table you want to remove. Find your table in Notion. Tables are part of its database feature and they might be inline embedded directly on the page. Hover over the table's title area. You'll see a 6-dot icon appear. Click it to select the entire table. At the top, a small menu will appear. Look for the trash can icon or the option labeled Delete. Click it, then confirm the deletion when prompted. And that's it. Your table is gone, leaving your workspace clean and clutter-free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.